Medicine Woman in the Woods here. I am making tonight white pine needle infused into coconut milk. First we're going to just have a little hot plate because I live in the woods and I don't have a stove. So I use a hot plate. So I'm going to put in the coconut. And I'm going to infuse pine needles. And I'll probably add some yummy stuff to it, like most likely I'll add cinnamon, maybe some vanilla. I make my own vanilla extract too, so I'll definitely add some of that. I don't like doing long videos, so this is going to take a while, so I might just show you how I'm going to do it. You might not see the end result, and it'll be in my tummy pretty fast. So I don't want to bore you all with waiting for 15 minutes listening to me talk. I won't do it to you. So I'll put my pine needles in my coconut milk, heating it on my little hot plate. I washed these pine needles first. Just got them today. Actually, I met a gentleman when I was at a market a month back. Asked him if he had some, he said he had some land, so I asked him if he had any white pine, and he did, but it was really far for me to go get it. It's in Sussex, so I never got there, and I made plans one day to go there, but it snowed, so I couldn't go. But then he called me early this morning. He said he was coming into the city, St. John, and I met him, and I got this beautiful pine needles from him and a whole bunch of chaga. Yeah, he harvested a bunch of chaga for me because right now I'm just too busy to go harvest it myself. So that's great. So this is what it looks like, and I'm just going to start to infuse it. And how you know when your pine needles are all infused is they go yellow. That means that you've, same as when you make a pine needle tea, the pine needles go yellow once you hit it with the hot water, and they infuse into the water. So we'll see if it changes color here. If not, you guys get the gist of it. So I'll add some cinnamon, probably add, let's see here, some of my vanilla bean. It's been tincturing for a while. That's in 100 proof alcohol, some vanilla bean, so that'll be a nice snap to it. With some cinnamon, probably add definitely a cinnamon stick. Might even put some nutmeg in it. Doesn't seem to be changing color yet, but it takes a little bit for that to infuse in. So this is what it looks like. And what I'll do is just strain out the needles, obviously after it's heated, after I feel like I've infused it into the medicinal value of the needles into the coconut milk. I'll strain it, and then I will add my yumminess to it, and probably make it hot with some whipped cream on top with maybe some, ooh, yeah, a little bit of dark chocolate on the top, just crushed. Yummy.